Looking at homebuilder stocks in Trackstar, our proprietary sentiment indicator, we noted a 33% surge in investor interest in the space's number one stock, DR Horton. So we squeezed the best nuggets from the company's recent fiscal Q4 earnings call to see what the buzz is about. The headline was an unsurprising miss on sales and profits, but beyond that, Horton's commentary underscores the reality of our crazy housing market. They said that a lot of their incentives have been on the financing side, with interest rate locks and buy-downs to try to address the payment shock there from the interest rates. And during the quarter, they continued to sell homes later in the construction cycle to better ensure the certainty of the home close date and mortgage rate of their home buyers, with almost no sales occurring prior to start of home construction. So, DR Horton not only feels the need to entice buyers with interest rate deals, they also give them less time to think about and ultimately back out of their purchase by shortening the sales cycle. In September, we told you about Lennar using a similar tactic, i.e., not opening a community for sale until models are fully constructed, amid a large number of cancellations. Also interesting from DHI, just as some consumers are trading down at discount retailers and grocery stores due to inflation, they're doing likewise on housing thanks to high prices and mortgage interest rates. In today's Juice newsletter, we have the data that backs up this trend. You won't believe how much less house you get for your dollar in some places this year versus last. But real quick, our thoughts on DR Horton stock after Trackstar put it in front of us, and we did our due diligence. If you're a long-term investor who thinks the housing market will normalize to its typical ebb and flow, buy now and buy on dips. Horton trades with a forward PE ratio of just over 9. If most of the worst is behind home builders, and we think it is, that's too cheap to ignore, especially if you're investing with a multi-year time horizon.